Responding to RFPs, DDQs, and questionnaires shouldn't slow down your team. Response projects helps you move faster without compromising quality. It all starts with responsive AI agents breaking down complex RFX documents into clear insights so teams can respond quicker, collaborate smarter, and stay aligned. Then, agents generate a complete first draft using your most trusted content, accurate, cited, and in your voice. Each answer gets a trace score, showing what's strong, what needs work, and how to fix it. Collaboration is easy, with stakeholders and SMEs aligned in one shared workspace. Quality check flags gaps and inconsistencies, making final reviews faster and sharper. Once ready, export your proposal in a branded template, ready to send or upload. And with robust dashboards, revenue leaders can track volume, win rates, and trends in real time. Start with an upload, finish with results. That's Response Projects from Responsive.